Hello fellow seamstress, and welcome back to my channel. I am currently working on this custom make for a client. It is Simplicity 8731. I will showcase the finished garment on December the 5th, 2021 back here on YouTube. As you can see pictured are the fabric selections. The heavier fabric will be for the coat. The peach fabric will be the lining for that coat. And then that bronze crepe back satin will be the dress. So please tune back in on December the 5th to see the final and finished product.